You're about a 442. You up on this one?
Yeah, go ahead, 296, 442 Mobile, right back to you.
Alright, okay, I'll hear video gate rolling. Hey, sounding real good though. So give me a dead key for 2 seconds and try modulate.
Audio 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Dead key 6, swing right to the plus sign on my meter out here, the 10-4.
Yeah, I hope so. These weather's sounding good. We spent whole night on it.
Nah, it's doing its thing, man. Looking real good out here, man. Not too bad, 15 plus miles away, man. Mag mount to mag mount.
Yeah, check where I am, man. Okay, I guess this thing is working alright, then we could do the other one on the chrome out here. This is the black chrome out here.
Okay, I'll go shut down and stand by. Give me a give me a shout out when you get ready. Oh yeah, out here, 2986 Mobile, back why?
Check where I am. 442, this Mobile back on the side.